Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the caveman skill in Claude. So make sure you follow every step carefully because missing one part may stop the skill from working correctly. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So to begin, open any web browser on your device, click the search bar, type caveman skill, and press enter. So once the results appear, open the first website shown on the page. And after the website opens, look for the code button on the right side of the repository. Click it, then choose the option to download the protect as a zip file. Wait for the download to finish before moving to the next step. Next, find the downloaded zip file on your device and extract it into a folder. Open the extracted folder, then look for the folder that contains the skill files. Once you find it, select all the files inside the skill folder and compress them into a new zip file. So this new zip file is the one you will upload to Claude. Now open the Claude application when it appears. Sign into your Claude account if you are not already logged in. So once Claude is open, click your profile in the bottom left corner, then select settings. And on the settings page, open the skills section and click the add button at the top. And when the import window appears, drag and drop the new zip file into the upload area. Wait for the Claude to finish importing the caveman skill into your account. After the import is complete, start a new chat and in the prompt box type /caveman to open the skill menu. Select the caveman skill, enter a prompt, and send it to check that everything is correctly. That is it. The caveman skill is now added to Claude, and you can use it again in future conversations through the skills menu. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.